Hey peeps. Okay, so I'm just here to create a video, just stand a vlog. I didn't feel like making videos on YouTube because I feel like I'm having college work and studies and maths and English when I does is entry level 3. Just in my college course, I get homework every week and it's the same as my English lessons. Yeah, I just didn't feel like making videos just to say that. So, just man. Alright, and I just got an announcement to make. First of all, I'm just open up my Q&A video. If if you'd like to ask me questions about myself, go ahead and leave the comments down below. So yeah, new videos coming soon.